Hello, welcome back my dear students of class 10th. Dear student, after the completion of the MCQ exercises from the chapter reproduction, I am going to elaborate here about the next sections of the question answer that is given in your side book. And that sections are filling the blanks, true, false, that you have to do these exercises so that your concept will be clear. My dear student, come to the section filling the blanks from chapter introduction. Fill in the blanks. These exercises will provide you the revision in such a way so that your if anything being left during the study, during your class study, then that will be covered in this part of the question answer exercise. Question number 1, genetic variation occur due to the inaccuracy in dash replication. So as you know, the replication of DNA takes place during the reproduction. So the answer that will be filled over here is DNA. So number 1, question number 1, DNA. 1, DNA. Likewise, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So question number 2, during dash eggs and sperms are released in the environment. During, I think this is the reproduction process of amphibians. This statement referred to the reproduction in amphibians. As you know, the amphibians are running in water and they release their eggs as well as the sperm for the external fertilization in the water. So, during reproduction in amphibians, eggs and sperms are released in the environment. तो इसमें जो कॉलम भरा जाएगा वो होगा ड्यूरिंग रिप्रोडक्शन इन एम्फीबियंस. During mating will be the correct word. During mating in amphibians, male and female mate together in the water, and during this process they release their eggs and sperm for the external fertilization. Okay, third, dash fertilization occurs inside the female's body. Then in dash, in human, fertilization occurs inside the female's body. In human, fertilization occurs inside the female's body. This is the internal fertilization. Question number 4. Dash contain half the amount of DNA compared to the parents. So gametes contain half the amount of the DNA compared to the parents. So जो gap है, gap area, that will be the DNA. DNA नहीं होगा बल्कि क्रोमोसोम होगा. Amount of DNA, chromosome contain half amount of DNA. That will be the chromosome, not DNA. That will be the chromosomes. Then you have to note down the difference between the chromosome and DNA. That DNA, several DNA, they get united together, they form the stick of the chromosomes. So the number of chromosomes will be half, means the amount of DNA will be half in that particular gamete. Question number 5. Dash bearing ovary with dash are female reproductive parts of a flower. Okay, carpel bearing ovary with ovule. Carpel. Question number 5. Come to this 5. Carpel bearing ovary with ovules. Carpel bearing ovary with ovules are the female reproductive parts of a flower. Then 6. Dash bearing anther and produce pollen grains are the male reproductive part of a flower. So come to 6. This stamen bearing anther which produce pollen grain. तो पहले डैश में स्टेमन होगा, स्टेमन, दूसरे डैश में pollen grains होगा, produce pollen grains. Question number 7. On the pollen grains, once the pollen grain are deposited on the stigma, they form once the pollen grains are deposited on the stigma, they form dash. They form a coating over the stigma. They form a hard coat. They form a hard coat because pollen grains release their nuclei into the pollen tube, and the exine part of the pollen grain get deposited on the stigma, and that make the hard coating just to protect the pollen tube and pollen nuclei. Question number 8. The flower which contains both stamen and carpel is called bisexual flower. Question number 8. Bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. And question number 9. Dash flowers are underground closed flowers. Okay. This question is wrong. Dash flowers are underground closed flower. I think in this question some misprint is there, so you have to ignore this question. Okay, come to the section F, true and false. True and false, TF. So this was the filling the blanks, and now come to TF. TF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My dear student, let us see the true false. Number 1, reproduction unlike other life process is not essential to maintain the life of an individual organism. This is true. Number 1, true. Number 2, the cytoplasm in the cell nucleus is the information source of making proteins. The cytoplasm in the cell nucleus is the information source for making protein. This is the information source. No, this is false. This will be false. Information source are the RNA. They inform the ribosome and protein will be formed by the ribosomes. Third, in fission, many bacteria and protozoa simplified divide into 2 or more daughter cells. Okay, this is true. Third, true. Now question number 4. The organism like Hydra undergoes fragmentation if they are broken into the pieces. This is true. Fragmentation. Okay. Reproduction in flowering plants involve transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma. Okay. So this is true. 5 true. Question number 6. The male reproductive system in human being consists of ovaries, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. This is false. This is the female parts. 6 false. Then question number 7. Transfer of pollen grains from one flower to the stigma of another flower is known as cross pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from one flower to stigma of another flower is known as cross pollination. Yes, this is true. 7 2. Then question number 8. The female reproductive system in human being consists of testis, vas deferens. This is again false. This is the male part. 8 false. And 9. Birds reproduce in the notches along with the along the leaf margin of bryophyllum, fall on the soil and develop into new plants. Bird produced in the notches along with the leaf margin. Okay, this is true. 9 2. 9 2. And 10. The DNA copying mechanism create the variations which are useful for ensuring the survival of the species. Okay, this is true. 10 2. Survival for future of that species. Every species try to survive for so many times, longer time on this earth, and that is why variation takes place. So dear student, I hope that in this video you are learning so many things in the form of question and answers, and these answers are registering in your mind. Question number 11. Acrosomes in the sperm carries the genetic material. Acrosome. This is false. 2 11. This is false. My dear student, acrosome is not carrying the genetic material. Genetic material is present inside the nucleus of the sperm, and acrosome is the pinpoint of the head that is in the sperm. Now, 12 testes are present in the scrotum because of high temperature in the scrotum. This is false. 12 false. Dear student, testes that is present inside the scrotum it facilitates the minimum temperature of 1 to 3 degrees centigrade for the production of sperm in the testes. So high temperature, there is no question of the high temperature in the test, in the scrotum. 13. Embryo gets embedded in the uterine wall. Okay, this is true. 13 true. 13 true. Then 14. Placenta helps in the exchange of the nutrients of waste between the fetus and mother blood. Exchange of nutrients and waste in between the fetus and mother blood. Okay, 14. This is true. 14 true. Now come to 15. Menarche is the cessation of menstruation cycle. False. 15 false. Menarche is the onset of the menstruation cycle. So 15 will be the false. 16. The inner lining of the uterus in which the fertilized egg is implanted is called endometrium. This is true. 16 true. And 17. The Sertoli cells are involved in the testosterone production. This sentence is this word is, I think, testosterone get produced by the specific cells that are present in the testes, and that cells are we have to refer this question to the chapter number 2, control and coordination. So let us leave this question, no problem, because control and coordination is not in your syllabus. 18. The maternal blood supply mixes frequently with the fetal blood supply during the exchange of waste material and nutrients. The maternal blood supply mixes frequently with the fetal blood supply during the exchange of the waste material. Okay, 18 true. 18 true. Then 19. Sperms are produced at a temperature that is equal to the body temperature. This is false. 19 false. And 20. Morula is formed immediately after the contraception. Gastrula, morula, gastrula, blastula, morula. This is false. 20F. 20F. My dear student, the question number 17. Which cell is responsible for the production of the testosterone? Let us refer the chapter 2, that is control and coordination. And since question came, that is why you have to know it. Testis. Interstitial cells stimulating hormone, ICSH. Leydig cell. These cells are Leydig cells, not Sertoli cells. So 17 false. 17 false. So my dear student, this question answer session is completed of these two groups. these two sections, filling the blanks and this true and false. I hope that it will help you in the learning process of this chapter by answering question and answer. Thank you very much. Good day. God bless you.